Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Um, it's interesting. My trading coach preferred to use the all spread and put a lead on this impulse here and kind of look at the daily move as this like long balance. I prefer to be more sensitive and, you know, if it breaks and goes higher, then we'll talk. But for now, I'd rather do it like this. Let's wrap up our day. It's an interesting day to say the very least. Yeah, let's see what our options are now on yeah, it's like 68 and my entry was like 87. Merrick is 185 and I bought it for like 5 and something, but Merrick makes sense. Merrick went against me, but Heinz doesn't make any sense. All right, so here we are. It's not a good context for a daily trade anyways. It's too far from 0.5. Too far before 0.5. That would need a test, and the configuration of that thrust is irregular. It went higher on a lower volume. That's the problem. I didn't take this trade. I didn't have 0.5 in order to run it. But yeah, that's interesting. And the test. Bruh. It's ridiculous. Is it gonna be a bigger volume to take it just like this from 0.5? Where is this Mandela's? It's, like exactly what. So, Illinois. Chocolate gum. Yeah. Okay. It's here. That's my only concern. Oh, you can switch over from here now. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, everything is cool about this guy except for nothing. Volume distribution is weird here. We're above it. It's going to be biggest volume in 18 minutes. It's this tide. Hmm. It's interesting. It went down. 2.5. stall it for minutes for this is wild. Well, I think it's a go. 0.5 weird volume, but it's here. It's gonna be bigger volume in 17 minutes. Yeah, I think it's all right. And hmm, MDLZ. Calculator. Mm. We are in. Congratulations on the first trade of the year. Let's describe it first. Uh, okay. So logbook. Duplicate. Okay. I'm gonna go month by month now. I'm tired of freaking. Ooh. And now I understand my trading coach. It's better to go one by one. Enterprise. Enterprise is 53.57.99. Do you know hotkeys to switch in between the tabs? Because I don't. Enter time 3:44. Eastern time. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. So right. Let's set up my exit strategy. 1 to 2 risk to reward is my mantra. Stop level. The only, yeah, well, it can be run higher. Or how higher? Half of this, half of this. Half of this. How do you want to run it, Misha? I think it's a good build up. Beginning, middle, the end. Maybe it's not. Yeah, and it's not a good sign that the sign of strength bar is below. Yeah, no, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it to R. So our stop is equal to yeah. Let's keep it simple. So sell. And stop limit is when the stop price reaches 52.77. We only will take break even at entry price with our take profit. Yeah, I don't think. Okay, let's describe our trade. I don't think there is any. All right, so where is our entry down? Happy first trade of the year and the month. It's a trend trade. Oops, sorry, gibberish. Trend trade. It's a long impulse. It's 0.5 correction. It's sign of strength above jump over creek level, because ideally we want it to be this bar, and it's ultra volumed manipulation bar. So yeah, what we don't like about it is that and wait, it's an investment. Oh no, it's swing, and it's Mandela's, right? Yes, yeah. Um, yeah, that's my problem with it, is this big ass volume. Because as always, on correction, we expect a smaller volume than the volume of the main movement, or otherwise, why? Why is it like bigger than sign of strength? It's a trend trade, and there is no signal. Okay. On months, we have an exhaustion volume, and we have an exhaustion volume. This thing I love about the months. Let's talk about it. It's a counter trend trade. It's a short impulse. It's an exhaustion. Yeah, exhaustion volume T1, transition extremum slash T1. It's an exhaustion volume manipulation bar. It's a weak approach, is what I'm saying, with no result. No result. It's weak approach. Bar without result, meaning that it's biggest volume bar, and like it didn't even close below the level. So I love it. And yeah, it's already the biggest volume. After it does a test, I can add more. It's a counter trend trade. It's a short impulse. Let's remove all unnecessary drawings so that they don't distract us. It's a great T1. It's not the biggest volume, but it's big. This is December 19th. This volume build up is a little weird, but not on the last approach. Last approach is perfect. Short impulse, volumed transition extreme slash T1, reverse. There, there is big volume, but it's consolidation below volume build up. By build up, I mean this volume build up. But it's a reverse volume weak approach. It's biggest, it's exhaustion volume spring. I think it's beautiful. It's counter trend and there's a spring signal. And that's our and it's our I like the list. It's aggressive trade. It's short impulse. It's a volume T1, right? It's volumed. Its biggest. It's exhaustion volume T1. It's a exhaustion volume towards spring plus. It's a weak test. It's a first bullish bar close entry. It's a calculated, affordable stop limit. 1 to 2, reach the reward, take profit. Yep. So here's our test. We see it. Oh, I forgot if you think exhaustion volume short impulse. It's a support level. So it is on the day. Support level. Support level. All done. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I'm back. It was an appointment with my doctor. I want to remove this thing. It's not a skin tag, but what do you say, like papilloma on my right eyelid? Um, yeah. Meantime, I logged everything to my, yeah, like everything except for like how low we are here, being scared that it's just gonna go here. But it's all right considering where we are at, considering I'm doing a stop limit and all the rest. Beautiful volume. Yeah, I like this trade. So it's Mandela's swing long 1 hour graph aggressive trade. 1 day counter trend as 1 month. Hold on. 1 month's counter trend. Counter trend. And 1 year trend. Yeah, that's how it goes. Ultra volumed manipulation war. Hey, I don't think it's good, by the way. I think it's bad. Yeah, I don't think it's good. It's long, it's trend, it's chart. No, it's technical and it's wave analysis. Dallas long, long setup, maybe swing trading. We say waves, volume, spread analysis, support and resistance zones, Wyckoff. Take profit maybe. I think that's it. I never traded Mandela's before. Yeah, just for funsies. How many trades you can connect it to and why? Why does it matter? And I'll add more on daily after a test. And on daily after a test, we can add more and more. Are you saying it's higher? Yeah, by hair. Doesn't change anything. Absolutely. Oh, the only thing that I wanted to redo is I think it's a negative factor rather than positive. So var, but without break. It's good. I'm just like concerned about this ultra volume. I think it's great that it is without a break, and I think it's bad. It's ultra volume, too much volume, is all I'm saying. Um, is all I'm saying. Yeah. So long story short, that ad, I took some decent sized position for swing, but I let more after a successful test. I like it. That's the way I like it. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is in official correction. So we can apply the 0.5. I think it was a good decision. It would have worked, right? This trade would have worked, but so much risk on it. Yeah, I don't like it. Boom. And volume. Look at this volume. It's a good CCAS volume. It's dangerously close to the main level of monthly time frame though. That's a volume as well. We got some volumes today. Isn't it exciting when volume comes in? Our job is to remain cold-blooded though. It's so fun how, I was gonna say my trading contradicts my acting career, but also no, even when you're like super emotional outwardly, you have to be super cold-blooded inside so that to mm, be responsive and take responsibilities for your actions. Because a lot of people like to say that acting is reacting. If you hear that from your acting coach, run and and never come back. Acting is not reacting. Acting is responding. Huh. Remember Target in all this like sharp, violent reactions? Turns out we didn't miss anything. I'm curious to see CVS because it was very similar. It's a break and we got transition extremum. Now, let's keep it where it is. Yeah, once it manipulates, ooh, and the volume. This thing went down. That's interesting. Boom. It's at the level. But also look at it. Same deal. Why do we, even if it manipulates this level tomorrow, so like why on earth do we have a ultra volume on correction, on manipulation of the trend level? Doesn't make any sense. Very similar, but locally. It's all right. No, it's different. It's all right volume. That's the way I like it. Wow. Just look at this volume. Isn't it sexy? Isn't it sexy? This volume. Boom, we're at 0.5. Here's nothing. I think. Unless we want to neglect this. It's below. It's below and we can see it. Yeah. Wait. Wait. Oh, 21st. Okay, so must be. Yeah, this close below. So yeah. It's at the level. So yeah, exactly. Boom. Bada boom. Goes up. It's too high of a break, I think. Looks like an exhaustion. It's good for short trade. Dun, dun. I like it. No, this is like right the exhaustion of this entire thing. But never be misled by counter trend exhaustion volumes. Oh yeah, it can hurt big time. It's good in continuation of the trend. Um, yeah, let's keep watching it. Technically, doesn't need a close manipulation signal. Continuation trend on daily, on year. Um, just count the trend on month. Let's keep an eye on it, but why is it on my daily watch anyway? Mm, I don't know. Anyone knows? Nobody knows it, but you got a secret smile and use it only for me. Nobody knows it, but you got a secret smile. Ice. That likes worse. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. What can you say? Ironically, it's called intercontinental exchange. Intercontinental. Intercontinental. That's so Russian of me to say that. Intercontinental exchange. So, should not be xenophobic at all. Should be more like globalist company. What is this? It's definitely not a balance for a like here. Southern company goes higher. It's not in a balance. Ba-boom, bada-boom. Um, this is continuation of the trend that I'm not excited about at all since the um, narrow spread, it gapped down. Oh, it's oil. um, yeah, reaction bar has bigger volume. Volume distribution is not long, is all I'm saying. What's the name of oil company, American oil company that was running Venezuelan oil mining till Venezuela got back its control over its own natural resources? Are they back in the game? Or is it going to be new companies? For all I care, it's going to be American companies. Uh, and that's why I think it's highly unethical and inhuman. It's pure breed expropriation of resources. That's what it is. Dude, look at me. Can't stop like going off about things that I promised myself not to care about anymore. News are so encrypted in us. Oi, this is way better than this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ugh, that just hurt my eyes. That just hurt my eyes. Also, continuation of the trend and volume distribution is better here. Wait, what is it doing on my daily watch though? Ba-boom. Tiro could have been all over in profit, but broke even everything. What can you do? It didn't go 0.5 and then it goes lower and then after it's like it's back like 80% of the impulse. Doesn't make any sense. It's a break and we don't care because we only look short here. XLI is at the level. Is it also annual? No, it's only for Um, what the heck? Uh-huh. That's a good exhaustion, but you see the break. It's a good break because more than half of a bar, most of the bar, and the close is above the mm, transition extreme slash T1. The heck is this? I'm still to um, check my monthly levels, but not yet. I'm getting tired faster. I'm getting old. Uh, can't spend hours watching charts anymore. Do you think and get out type of deal? It's not an exhaustion volume. Uh, however, it is a volume. It's volumized for sure. Volumed. Volumized. I like this word. Um, it's a break. Did I not go through? How come this thing slipped my mind? Hmm. Interesting. But yeah, it's a one bar. Uh, sorry. It's all good. What I didn't notice here though is that it's like one bar rule. So it kind of changes the outlook, right? Yeah. So what? It's continuation of the trend, right? For now, it is. So yeah, none of this looks good because I see it more like this, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's how I see it. One bar rule. So back to square one. And it's continuation of the trend. It's continuation of the trend. Boing. Takes off. Boing takes off. Continuation of the trend. I'd stay away, but technically. But technically, so it confirmed a reversal. Our next stop is 0.5. It's not a break, it's already been manipulated. Boom, one bar. No, it's not a one bar rule. It's a break and correction right away. So now we are in this reality. And there's a distinctive sign of strength. So it's good from 0.5, but only for a quick swing trade or day trade. Something like that. It's continuation of the trend. Pfizer. Pfizer is indecisive in terms of geopolitics. It accumulates here just fine. Who knows? Who knows? This volume. I think that's it. I think that's it. It just can't find anything on. Yeah. As smart money would, it generates a boring, unpredictable environment that makes guys like myself stay away. Oops. That's exactly how it goes in Via Hermoso Chavez's Wyckoff 2.0 book. The only thing I do not understand is why he calls Richard Wyckoff Richard Wyckoff. He's not Wyckoff, he's Wyckoff. So whoever narrated the book didn't pay attention, and but Guillermo Chavez should know that he's Wyckoff, not Wyckoff. My point is, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so why am I looking at it? I'm waiting for. Okay, so it changed direction, so we can say that it missed the level, possibly in 0.5, reversed. So now it's good in continuation of the trend, possibly. Quite far away. Maybe I'm wrong not using alt spread, because in alt spread it's like bearish bar, but how can I see it as a bearish if it's a bullish and volume being applied and the day opened lower and closed higher? How can I say it's a bearish bar now? Doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, that needs levels. British Petroleum. They're British, but petroleum. And Brits and Americans go way back. Kind of like frenemies. Like Russia and China or Russia and Turkey. You know what I mean? Yandex. What am I trying to say on Yandex? Trying to say that this is an entry. zero point 0.5, but with such a volume, it's just technically, boom. Yeah, that qualifies for an entry. Biggest volume of this approach. Volume distribution is imperfect on T1, so I'd rather see this volume in this bar, not in this. But still, it's a part of this extremum, so technically that was an entry from zero point 0.5. You can arguably call it a small trade, kind of like quick trade. I don't know. Don't think so. So high up there. I need to sleep on it. I need to think about it. And it's Russian market anyways. I don't have cash available. As a matter of fact, I'll be selling tomorrow another part of my losing trade just to cover for my financial obligations in there. This is not good. Yeah, so Yandex, it's there, but just not my vibe. It's not my vibe. Okay, I'll leave you there. I'm still to finish my list starting from Jets. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the community.